it's Miss Nikki. Today I am going to read a farm animal book. It's called the Life-Size Animal Opposites book. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see what animals first. Back or front? One cat is white, the other cat is black. The opposite of front is back. Which is which? Is this cat front or back? Front. Is this cat back or front? Back. How many cats are there? Let's count. 1, 2 cats. All right. Long or short? Toucan's beak is curved and long. Parakeet's beak is short and strong. Which bird is flying? Which bird is flying, friends? Parakeet's flying. All right, let's go to the next page. Up or down? Arctic fox stands up to play, and boxer dog lies down all day. Please get up, dog. Where's the dog? There he is. And where is the fox? There he is. Hard or soft? Hard or soft? Just how can you tell a bush baby's fur from a turtle's shell? The bush baby is soft, and the turtle's shell is hard. How many animals are there? Let's count. 1, 2. Big or little? Little chicks, do you know just how big you will grow? What fine feathers you are going to have? Where is the black chick? Can my friend see the black chick? Where is she? There she is. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the mommy makes 10. Uh-oh. Don't touch the crocodile. That's a big crocodile, right, friends? He bites. Oh, look how cute. How many kitty cats are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And here go the little tiny slow snails. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 snails and 3 kitties. Open or shut? Duck and duckling side by side. Whose bill is shut? Whose open wide? Are the chickies' mouth open? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. What sound does a duck make? Quack, quack, quack. Noisy or quiet? Who wakes the house with his noisy sound? Who's quiet and quick and scurries around? What sound does a rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo! And here goes a little mouse. awake or asleep? Wolf's cubs awake, touching a heap. That looks like fox cub, fast asleep. Sweet dreams, little fox. Who's sleeping? The wolf or the fox? The fox. Heavy or light? Heavy baby elephant holds his trunk up high. Light little butterfly flutters down nearby. Hello, pretty butterfly. Ooh, upside down or right side up? Upside down, bats hold on tight. Right side up, owl sees at night. In or out, one hamster stays in. The other goes out. One is hungry, but the other grows stout. Come out and eat, little hamster. How many hamsters are there? 2. 1, 2. All right, friends. Who wants to help me build a tower? Miss Nikki has blocks, and I want my friends to count with me. Are you ready? Let's shake my box around. All right, friends, we're going to make a tall tower. Are you ready? I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should we try to go a little more, friends? Let's try to make a little bit taller tower. 11, 12, 13, 14. Should we keep going, friends? 15, 16, 17, 18. One more. 19. Can we do one more to make 20? Let's see. 20! We did it! Thank you, friends, for counting with Miss Nikki. Bye-bye.